Hello students, now I am going to start question number 10 of exercise 8.2. Now question number 10 says, I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including 8% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. So this is the price including VAT. Okay, we will have to find the price before the VAT was added. Means we will have to find the original price of the hair dryer. Okay, now what do you mean by VAT? VAT means value added tax. So this is a type of tax which is imposed on the goods. And if we buy those goods, we have to pay this. That means we will have to, customer only have to pay these taxes. Okay. So here selling price of a hair dryer is given, which is rupees 5400. Now, this 5400 is the amount including VAT. So that means price of the hair dryer to be added to VAT to get the amount you have to pay, which is 5400. Now price of the hair dryer we don't know. We will have to find this price, and this is unknown to us, so we can consider as X. Price of the original original price of the hair dryer, say X rupees. Now always remember, VAT is always imposed on the goods and it is calculated only on the price of the item, price of the product. Here price of the product is say X we have considered. Now 8% is the percentage of VAT, so 8% of the price of the item will be the VAT, isn't it? Now here 8% means 8 by 100 into price of the product we have considered as X. So 8% of X. So this is the VAT to be included to the original price of the hair dryer, isn't it? Which will be equal to the amount you have to pay. So that means you will have to pay the price as well as tax if you want to buy that. Okay, so according to the question, X plus 8 by 100 into X is equals to 500. So here before this you just mention that let the price of the hair dryer say X rupees. Okay, now so here 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So X plus 2 into X, if you multiply the numerator we'll get 2 into X, and here nothing means 1, so 25 into 1 is 25 is equals to 5400. Okay, now we will consider here 1 as there is no digit, so 25 into 1 is 25, so LCM will be 25. Okay, now LCM will be divided by the denominator. So 25 divided by 1 is 25. Now quotient will be multiplied by the numerator. So it's 25 multiplied by X is 25X. Plus 25 divided by 25, it's 1. 1 into the numerator is, which is 2X. So 2X multiplied by 1 is 2X. Now 25 plus 2, it's 27X divided by 25, which is equals to 5400. Now here one thing I forgot to mention, the price of a hair dryer before VAT. Okay, this was the price before VAT. So what will be the value of X? Here 27 by 25 is multiplied by X. So to find the value of X, we need to transpose 27 by 25 to another side. So 5400 will be multiplied by the reciprocal of this. So 27 by 25 will be 25 by 27. Now 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54, and 2 zeros are there. So if you multiply the numerator, 25 twos are 50 and 2 zeros, so it's 5000. So the price of the hair dryer before the VAT was added was rupees 5000. So see here, 5000 is the price of the hair dryer. Now with this, VAT is to be added to this price to get the amount you have to pay, which is 5,400 you are paying. That means how much is the VAT? It's 400. But we don't have to find this. We had to find this one, and we have got this. Okay, so we'll write the price of the hair dryer. The price of the hair dryer before VAT was rupees 5,000. Okay. So this was the last question of exercise 8.2. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Thank you, students.